Okay, I want to show you guys some tips for replacing the back glass on a Toyota Sequoia. This one, there was no videos that I could find on the web or any kind of like how-tos, and so I just wanted to share this stuff with you. So basically, like all the other videos for taking these back hatch glasses off, you got to take off all the stuff that's on the back, all the plastics and so forth. The problem with doing the Sequoia is it has this giant, and I'll get up here, sorry for the shaky cam, but it has a giant fin on top. If the fin is not taken off, then you cannot put the glass in the window. We tried every kind of way, from inside, from outside, and so forth, to get this glass, and it did not work. Wound up taking the spoiler off, and it was in like 2 minutes. Super easy. For the spoiler, just so you know, it is really easy. There's just 2 bolt holes, one right here and one right here for the spoiler. And you can see these are the 2 things that cover them. One of these, and then it has a bolt on each one. So you just undo those, and then you literally just pop up. There's a little bit of, on the front side of the wing, there's a little bit of like sticky tape, I guess, to hold it, give it more of a grip, and that will help you be able to get it off. But the other thing that I wanted to show you was, when you get your old window, you start taking it out, there's going to be these pieces, and I'll put them right here so you can see them. There's going to be these pieces that they're from the old window. My replacement window did not have this plastic thing. You can see this is where it goes in, and you can see it's literally glued like with like super glue, glued into those spots. I think this is just like something they did from the factory. When you do the one not from the factory, all it's going to have, let me see if I can find it here. It is, I do not have it down right now, but it's just going to have these little tabs that stick out of the bottom. So picture like if this was just like a little tab and it didn't have the rest of this all the way over to here. So the glass will just have little nubs sticking out that have the bolt part in. So that threw me off at first, because I was like, wait, what do I have to do? Do I need to take this glass out? Do I have to pick it all out and then try to find where it goes down? But I watched a couple other videos for some Forerunners, and I saw that the glass for those didn't have it either, and that's when I figured it out. So anyways, that just is a helpful thing. One other thing, if you have a Sequoia, you know, the back glass is supposed to go down in these. My glass would not go down, and it had bothered me for a few years, because I was like, that would be cool if I could, because there's on the dash there is there's a button to allow the rear glass to go up and down, and when you click it, it would make a little clicking sound. And so I knew something wasn't right. All it is this right here, and you can see I'm looking from inside, looking upward, and you can see it's this bolt right here just needed to be adjusted. This is a thing to help the window from falling down. It's just a micro adjustment. So what you can do is just, and I've already done it on mine, you can just take these 2, loosen them up, slide this down, and then re-tighten them. And then all of a sudden my window started working, so I was very happy. I'm also working on, I'll do 3 things in this video. This is the, and I don't think I have enough light here. This is the latch for, for the whole hatch. You can see I already took mine out here, and I have this part. I was going to put a DIY lever on it and bolt it in directly to this, and then have it swings out. You can look it up on the web. It's actually pretty cool. I think I'm going to skip it at this time, because it would require me to disable this, and I have another fix that I know has worked in the past for the for the hatch not opening, and that is you basically just add a bunch of length to it. This cable gets stretched over time, so I just use these split washers. You can see I added it to it, and then when you put them on, I can't do both at the same time, but if you pull this out, anyways, it adds more. Effectively shortens this cable and fixes the stretch issue. So anyways, that's one way to fix that. It only costs what, 20 cents in washers to fix it, so I think it's a pretty good deal. So anyways, that was basically all I wanted to do. The glass swap was pretty easy. I got my glass, and this is in 2023. It was 179 bucks for the glass to do it myself. That way there won't be any hit on my insurance or anything. Don't ask me how I broke it. But anyways, yeah, so the window works perfectly now. So if you have any questions or comments, I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, just as always, appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe if you like the content. Have a good day.